Hey everybody, this is Bart with Great Meals Barbecue, and tonight for dinner I'm making sausage au gratin. This is a dish that my mom used to make all the time, and I think you'll really like it. Stay tuned. Okay, what we've got here is 8 small to medium-sized potatoes. These were pre-boiled with the skin on, and then once they cooled down, the skin was taken off of them. It just keeps them from getting as mushy once they go into the baking dish here. We've got 1 medium onion, 1 package of little smoky sausages. We've got 1 cup of Velveeta cheese that we're going to melt down. We've got a cup of sour cream that's going to go in it, and then a little bit of parsley and salt and pepper. So we're going to get this cut up and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I've got our onion cut up in not small dice sizes, but pretty good size. And then we've got the cheese melted down here. What we're going to do is take about a half of this. This is a 16 ounce, so we're going to put about 8 ounces of sour cream in with this Velveeta cheese. And you're going to want to kind of taste this after you get about half and half. I mean, you may want to add a little extra sour cream. Okay, that's about half. So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to just mix this together here. Just get that combined up real well. Okay, and on the potatoes, the way I've got those diced up, what I did is just kind of cube them up into about 1-inch cubes in the casserole dish here. Had my wife do a taste test to let me know if I needed more sour cream here. So we're going to put just a little bit more sour cream. So probably about 10 ounces, 12 ounces, something like that. Again, just taste. She's made this a million times, so she's familiar with what it is what it tastes like when she makes it. So okay, we've got that all mixed together, and let me rearrange things here just a little bit, and we're going to start assembling this. Okay, assembling this is pretty easy. What we're going to do, simply go ahead and put our onions in here. Just kind of randomly toss them around in there. We're going to mix this all up once we get everything in here anyway. So we're going to go ahead and add our onion in there. And then we're going to add our sausages in there, and it may look like this is a lot of sausages, but it's really not. It works out pretty well with the 1 package. And again, this is a 14-ounce package. And we're just going to dump those in there. And then we're going to pour our cheese sauce over the top of everything here. Okay, and then we're just going to gently kind of mix this all up so the potatoes all get coated real good with the cheese sauce. Got a runaway there. And then I'm going to do the salt and pepper and the parsley. It's kind of to taste. But you just want to make sure and get that cheese on all the potatoes. And we're going to be putting this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Okay. Go with some cracked black pepper. kosher salt. And our parsley. All right, I'm going to get that in the oven and we'll be back in about 45 minutes. All right, it's been 45 minutes here. I'm going to take this out of the oven and see what it looks like. There we go. Just how we like it. The potatoes are browned a little bit on top and the sausages have got a little bit of browning on them. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.